In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reconcile overpayment in Xero. So first step is to record the overpayment if you haven't already done. So there are basically two methods that you can use to record your overpayment. First is to during the bank reconciliation. So in the reconciliation tab of your account, you need to locate the bank statement line for your overpayment. So just let me show you how you can find it. So just click on accounting menu from top, then click on banks account. I have to select the bank account in which account overpayment was made. So just click on the manage account option right next to it, then click on reconcile account. Then on the screen you have to locate the bank statement line for the overpayment, and once you find it, it will automatically show the matches for it. Or if you don't find the match, you can simply click on this find and match option right beside to it. Then you need to select the overpayment from this list and then click on this reconcile button, and your overpayment will be reconciled. If there is no existing bill or invoice to match, you can simply click on this new transaction option from the bottom and then select send money or transfer money depending on whether the overpayment was outgoing or incoming. Then you can choose the overpayment as a payment type. Then you need to enter the overpayment, overpaid amount, and then account and the tax rate field are logged. Then you need to save the transaction, and then this transaction will be listed here. So from here, just you can simply select the transaction from here and then click on reconcile. That was the first method. Second method is the without the bank reconciliation. So you need to navigate to the business menu from the top, and you have to click on bills to pay. Then you need to open the relevant invoice or bill from here. Then you need to scroll down and come to this section, make a payment. Then you have to enter the amount of your overpayment and then date when was it was paid and from which account, and then simply click on this add payment. And then you can reconcile this statement line in your bank account using the find and match feature, just like we show you in the previous steps. You can also apply the overpayment, so the overpayment will be credited to your customers or the supplier's account in Xero. You can apply this to credit to future invoices or bills as needed. You can also refund the overpayment if needed. So if overpayment needs to be refunded, you need to create a spend money transaction for your refund amount. So just click on accounting and from there click on banks account. Now from here you have to select your appropriate account and then click on this manage account right next to it, and then you just have to select the spend money transaction for the transaction for your refund amount. You need to select your bank account and the payment, and then you can simply enter the customer's name and supplier name and then simply click on this save button, and then you can reconcile this transaction as we do in earlier steps. So that is how you can reconcile overpayment in Xero accounting software. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.